We're going to start out with about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Avocado oil has a very high smoke point, about 500 degrees, and it's one of the more healthy oils you can use. We're going to add in about 3/4 of a pound of andouille sausage, cut into bite-sized pieces. Andouille sausage is a traditional Louisiana Cajun smoked pork sausage. If you're unable to find any, you could certainly substitute a Mexican chorizo, kielbasa, or even German bratwurst. Once we finish browning, we're going to go ahead and set these to the side. Now we're going to brown up some boneless chicken thighs, cut into large chunks. These were seasoned with some Dayum Bayou Cajun seasoning, and we're going to get them nice and brown. We're not too concerned about them being fully cooked because we're going to simmer them later on in the process. Now that these are cooked, we're going to go ahead and set them aside as well. Next, we're going to add in about 3/4 of a cup of Holy Trinity, which in Cajun cuisine is a mixture of 3 parts onion, 2 parts celery, and 1 part bell pepper. We're just going to cook this until the onions start to get a little translucent. Now we're going to add our chicken and then our sausage back into the pan. And next we're going to add 4 cups of chicken stock, and you could use chicken broth as well. And we're just going to level everything out now and get everything evenly spaced. Next we're going to add 1.5 cups of long grain white rice. We're going to just evenly distribute this throughout the pan. And then just lightly level it out. And now we're going to add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of Dayum Bayou Cajun seasoning, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, we're going to add 3/4 of a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. And then we're going to follow up with a light dusting of Dayum Bayou Cajun seasoning. And now cover it with a lid for another 10 minutes. And there we have it. Piping hot, delicious Cajun Jambalaya. And finally, we just top it off with a little bit of green onion. And there we have it, Dayum Bayou Cajun Jambalaya. So good.